In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate 85% off a price using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357. You want to find out what the final price will be after applying an 85% discount. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, which is $1,357, into your calculator. Press the multiply button and multiply by 15. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 15? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. An 85% discount means you are paying 85% less than the original price. So if you take 85% away from 100%, you are left with 15%. In other words, paying 15% of the original price means you are saving 85%. So by multiplying the original price by 15, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 15% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So finally, let's press that percentage button and voila! The final amount after an 85% off is $203.55. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine this time we have an item priced at $2,450. Let's enter that into our calculator, 2,450. Press the multiply button and multiply by 15. Press the percentage button finally. So after 85% off, the final price comes out to be $367.50. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 85% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.